Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Easy English Conversation. I am Emma, and I am so happy that you are here with me today. This is day 4 of our 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Series 2. Quick question for you. Have you ever heard a native English speaker say something really simple, but it made them sound incredibly natural and fluent? For example, when they say, I am swamped, instead of I am very busy, and you think to yourself, why did I never learn that phrase before? That is exactly what we are going to fix together today. If you are new here, welcome to our learning family. Every single day, we focus on one essential topic that you can master easily and use immediately in real conversations. No complicated grammar rules. No confusing explanations. Just real, natural English that works in everyday life. Here is a quick helpful tip for you. I have organized today's lesson into clear sections so you can jump to any part you want to focus on. You can also come back later to practice specific phrases again and again. Now, I do not usually ask you to memorize things. I believe in natural learning through listening and repeating. But today is a little bit special. These phrases are so essential for daily conversations that I really encourage you to remember them by heart. Here is why. Grammar rules. You can always look them up when you need to. Vocabulary words. You can often find different ways to say the same thing. But these phrases right here, you need to know them naturally and instantly without thinking. If you want to sound confident and connect with people in a natural way, these are the phrases you absolutely need to know by heart. Why? Because you will use them every single day in your real life, at work, with friends, even when you are talking to yourself. And to my amazing learners who have been with me from the beginning, thank you so much for your incredible comments and supportive messages. Today we are mastering 70 essential daily phrases. That is about 15% more than yesterday. These are phrases that native speakers use constantly, but most English courses never teach you. These are not textbook phrases. These are the real words you hear in movies, at work, with friends, and everywhere around you. By the end of the day, it shall sound more natural than students who have studied English for many years, ready to sound like a native speaker instead of a textbook. Let us dive in together. Say Shetan one morning and getting ready phrases. Let us start with how native speakers really talk about their morning routine. I am up early today. I am up early today. I am up early today. Coffee has not kicked in yet. Coffee has not kicked in yet. Coffee has not kicked in yet. Running a little bit late. Running a little bit late. Running a little bit late. Almost ready to go. Almost ready to go. Almost ready to go. Just grabbing my keys. Just grabbing my keys. Just grabbing my keys. I am heading out right now. I am heading out right now. I am heading out right now. Traffic is pretty bad today. Traffic is pretty bad today. Traffic is pretty bad today. I will be there very soon. I will be there very soon. I will be there very soon. Just got to work finally. Just got to work finally. Just got to work finally. What a crazy morning. What a crazy morning. What a crazy morning. Barely slept last night. Barely slept last night. Barely slept last night. Need to get going now. Need to get going now. Need to get going now. My phone is dead again. My phone is dead again. My phone is dead again. I cannot find anything today. I cannot find anything today. I cannot find anything today. Forgot my lunch again. Oh no. Forgot my lunch again. Oh no. Forgot my lunch again. Oh no. Perfect. Notice how short and natural these phrases sound. That is the secret. Native speakers do not speak in complete sentences all the time. They use these quick, natural phrases that just flow out of their mouth. Now, here is a pronunciation secret that will change everything for you. When native speakers say, I am up early, they do not say each word clearly and separately. It sounds more like I am up early. The words blend together smoothly. This is called connected speech. And this is why you sound much more natural. When you copy this rhythm. Section 2. Work and daily tasks phrases. Now let us move to work and daily tasks. These are the phrases you need every single day. These are gold because you will use them constantly in your job and daily life. I am swamped today. I am swamped today. I am swamped today. Just checking my emails. Just checking my emails. Just checking my emails. Working on a big project. Working on a big project. Working on a big project. Almost done with this. Almost done with this. Almost done with this. Taking a quick break for 5 minutes. Taking a quick break for 5 minutes. Taking a quick break for 5 minutes. Back to work, everyone. Back to work, everyone. Back to work, everyone. Long day ahead of me. Long day ahead of me. Long day ahead of me. Finally finished with everything. Finally finished with everything. Finally finished with everything. Time for lunch, finally. Time for lunch, finally. Time for lunch, finally. Heading home now, thank goodness. Heading home now, thank goodness. Heading home now, thank goodness. Stuck in a boring meeting. Stuck in a boring meeting. Stuck in a boring meeting. Got a deadline coming up soon. Got a deadline coming up soon. Got a deadline coming up soon. This is taking forever to finish. This is taking forever to finish. This is taking forever to finish. Need to focus right now. Need to focus right now. Need to focus right now. Cannot talk right now, I am busy. Cannot talk right now, I am busy. Cannot talk right now, I am busy. Beautiful. Did you catch that? I am swamped means I am very busy. But native speakers almost never say, I am very busy. They say I am swamped or I am slammed. Here is another secret for you. Notice how native speakers love short phrases Back to work instead of I am going back to work now. Time for lunch instead of it is time to eat lunch. Shorter equals more natural, and more natural equals more like a native speaker. Section 3, Evening and Weekend Phrases. Let us finish with evening and weekend phrases, because this is when you actually connect with people in a relaxed way. What a long day. What a long day. What a long day. I am totally beat. I am totally beat. I am totally beat. Time to decompress and relax. Time to decompress and relax. Time to decompress and relax. Chilling at home tonight. Chilling at home tonight. Chilling at home tonight. Watching some TV shows. Watching some TV shows. Watching some TV shows. Calling it a night early. Calling it a night early. Calling it a night early. Sleeping in tomorrow morning. Sleeping in tomorrow morning. Sleeping in tomorrow morning. No special plans today. No special plans today. No special plans today. Taking it easy all day. Taking it easy all day. Taking it easy all day. Just hanging out with friends. Just hanging out with friends. Just hanging out with friends. I am done for the day finally. I am done for the day finally. I am done for the day finally. Need to unwind and rest. Need to unwind and rest. Need to unwind and rest. I am starving over here. I am starving over here. I am starving over here. Ordering takeout for dinner tonight. Ordering takeout for dinner tonight. Ordering takeout for dinner tonight. Cannot be bothered cooking anything. Cannot be bothered cooking anything. Cannot be bothered cooking anything. Excellent. I am beat means I am very tired, but it sounds so much more natural and casual. And chilling at home. Native speakers say this all the time, instead of relaxing at home. Cannot be bothered is pure native English, for I do not want to do something, or I am too lazy to do it. Section 4. Reaction and response phrases. Finally, these reaction phrases will make you sound incredibly natural in any conversation. Let us go through them together. That is really awesome. That is really awesome. That is really awesome. No kidding, really. No kidding, really. No kidding, really. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. I hear you completely. I hear you completely. I hear you completely. Fair enough, that makes sense. Fair enough, that makes sense. Fair enough, that makes sense. Good point you made there. Good point you made there. Good point you made there. That makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. I am with you 100%. I am with you 100%. I am with you 100%. Totally get what you mean. Totally get what you mean. Totally get what you mean. You got it exactly right. You got it exactly right. You got it exactly right. No way, that is crazy. No way, that is crazy. No way, that is crazy. Are you being serious right now? Are you being serious right now? Are you being serious right now? That is absolutely crazy. That is absolutely crazy. That is absolutely crazy. I cannot believe it at all. I cannot believe it at all. I cannot believe it at all. You are kidding me, right? You are kidding me, right? You are kidding me, right? Perfect. These are conversation gold. Tell me about it is a little tricky. When someone complains about something and you say, tell me about it, you are not asking for more information. You are saying, I totally agree with you, or I know exactly what you mean. I hear you means I understand what you are saying. Native speakers use this constantly every single day. And you are kidding me. This is how native speakers show surprise. Not I am very surprised, like a textbook. Here is the secret that changes everything. Native speakers do not think about grammar when they speak these phrases. They just flow naturally from situation to situation without any effort. That is why shadowing works so perfectly for you. You are training your brain to respond naturally, not to translate and think about rules. Your brain is already starting to recognize these important patterns. Tomorrow, when someone asks you, how is work? Your brain will automatically want to say, I am swamped today, instead of I am very busy at my job right now. That is the real power of learning complete phrases, not just individual words. Here is your mission for today. Choose 3 phrases from today that you can actually use in your real life. Maybe I am beat when you get home from work. Maybe time for lunch at your job. Maybe what a long day when talking to your friends. Use them once. Just one time today, and you will be amazed at how natural you sound. You just learned 70 essential phrases that will transform how you sound in English. Not tomorrow, not next week, but starting today. If this lesson helped you, you please show some love with a like. It helps more learners like you find these free lessons. And welcome to all of our new subscribers. You are going to love this English learning journey. Remember, if you want to master daily conversations with even more dialogue, practice check out day 24 from series 1 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. That is where we dive deep into conversations with practice scenarios that you can use every day. The link is in the pinned comment below. Keep practicing every single day. Keep improving little by little. And remember, every phrase you learn makes you more confident and more fluent. Until tomorrow, take good care of yourself. Bye, everyone.